So here we're given this system of linear equations, and we're asked for what value of a, which is this constant, would this system give no solutions. So there's two ways to think about it. One is that if we were to think about these as lines in the xy plane, then a system will have no solutions if we have two lines that are parallel, because they would never intersect, which means that there would not be a common value or point, a pair of ordered point, which would satisfy both of these equations. So one condition is that they both have the same slope. Now, the slope is same, but they have to be distinct lines. So, for example, I can rewrite the second equation in the slope intercept form. So that would be, I move this term over and then divide throughout by 6. So that becomes 2/3 x plus 5/6. Now this line, the first line, which has a as the constant, I'll do the same thing. Ax minus 3y equal to minus 7. So this would become moving that term over and then moving minus 7 to the other side. So that becomes a over third x plus 7/3. Now we notice that the y-intercepts are different. That means they will be different lines. And all we have to do is to match the slope. So a over third has to be 2/3, which means a must equal to 2 if we need the system to have no solution. So the answer is D. The other approach is to make these two equations look the same. That wouldn't require you to rewrite in the slope intercept form. So I'm going to keep the first line just the way it is. So I'll match the coefficient of y. So here it is minus 3y. So if I multiply this by minus 2, this would become minus 2ax plus 6y equal to 14. Essentially, I'm matching the y terms. These are different, so the only way they'll have no solution is if these coefficients are the same, meaning I need this to be also minus 4. And that means a must equal 2. And just to kind of reiterate, this system will have no solution because we cannot have the same expression, minus 4x plus 6y, have two different numbers. So that's why there's no solution. And so to recap, the answer is D.